When the apocalypse comes, I demand to be eaten first. Uncoordinated zombie, whales, sharks, and military fish schools sleuthing in sync to take back the land. Return of the feathered dinos, whatever part of Noah's Ark or Attenborough's docu comes for this reclamation, I'm here for it. They can enjoy my supple thighs, roasted, curried, or grilled. I demand not to be boiled. I refuse to be a salt and pepper kind of meal. Promise me you won't let me go unseasoned. No amount of bird song will make the festering morning breath bacteria worth swallowing. I assume we've all given up on hygiene when the apocalypse hits. I've seen it enough times, the tropes of dystopia, so let me tell you. I will not be a hero and have no desire to be immortalized. I will settle for being a someone's sustenance. I refuse to let my hand get cut at the grocery store because someone is hiding in the freezer. I will not let you use peas to unblood me while let all this sauce go to waste. Don't let it clot. I've cried enough through MasterChef seasons to let it know when cooked fresh, it's best. And I've been keeping myself hydrated just in case. Don't think I don't love you. I do. But I'm kind of done with this world, and I think it's done with us too. Don't just read me facts about monogamous animals as the world ends. If only for a season they made commitments, and we're the ones that follow through. There's no shame in dying. I have theories about where we go next, but if this is all it was, I promise to have no regrets, no last wishes, no last dishes, except maybe one last stolen dairy milk for the road. I wasn't made of ambition or opportunity. I was taught to be bored and learn that the world isn't always fair. Forgive me for not wanting to fight for future selves. Take comfort in knowing whatever end comes, this was enough, this was enough, this will always be enough.